When your Ford Fusion throws the message, steering loss, stop safely, the first thing you think is, oh no, now I'm going to lose the ability to turn the wheel in the middle of the street. And yes, the message is serious. It's basically telling you that the electric power steering has failed, and that you need to stop the car in a safe place before things get dangerous. So why does this happen? Many mechanics agree that it usually starts with the EPAS system, which is the electric power assisted steering. When it fails, the steering wheel becomes as stiff as a rock, and turning it turns into a strength sport. Some mechanics report that the message can appear suddenly on the highway or even in the city, and the car basically refuses to help you steer. Another common cause is the steering sensors, or the control module. Sometimes the torque sensor or the angle sensor sends a wrong signal, and the steering module decides it's safer to shut down assistance to avoid risk. In these cases, even if the steering wheel seems normal at first, the message appears and the steering can suddenly become very stiff. Some mechanics have had luck with a simple reset, turning off the car, waiting a few seconds, and turning it back on. This sometimes wakes up the module and the message disappears temporarily. But be careful, many say this only fixes the issue momentarily, and if there's a real fault in the module or the rack, it will come back. In the most stubborn cases, the permanent solution was replacing the entire EPAS rack or the faulty sensors. Some mechanics even had to repeat the replacement until they found the correct part, because an incompatible sensor or module would prevent the steering from working properly. That's why, when the message returns, the best move is to take it to a specialized shop or dealership.